We're another video about day trading in forex. In this video, we are going to talk about candlesticks near one day trading. Candlesticks near there, I do really the movements of price. And they become one same. One colors near one same, red no, and it's a green. Then a trade, and no, they did predictive with your market no echo. Currency who has seen a GBP USD, and who has seen it. The Ben say maybe call different place. Now I could show candlesticks and how it is. So one candlestick biara was here. That red one ya uhui. That small one way. Kasi we biara on the D and the trade. Maybe call one match room and stand your bahasi. The lines now who was screen is on a candle now who was screen is on. See na candles in it. One candle biara a green. Your friend bullish candle. One candle biara a green. Your friend bullish candle. And one candle a red. Your friend a bearish candle. A dear demand on a bullish and bearish. Almost a bullish. I can't boo out. Wouldn't them trade bear money dino. Most of the time, them trade man on more. I'm going to my baby in the course row. And only that two market need the bullish market. And all the time, be I become bullish market. That means say price no air course row. And now say green candles. So make a bearish candle. That is bear. Sa boa bear no. And I'm the two market no. Make a bearish candle. Make about this red candle. Make a bearish candle. Make about this red candle way. In a general selling prices. What I say? It's a bullish candle. A general massive price in the cost room. Bullish candle be an open down. Bullish candle be a B. Not price. Not cost row. Not a conclusive was row. What I say? In the every bullish candle be an open close in was row. What I say? Insanity. A bullish candle. A B was now push all the way to a slow now closing. Sanity. And bearish candle no be was true because bearish did not say price in the conformity no. Bearish candle be a true say that is the open now close or down. Into one bearish candle be I mean the price no echo form. Into your chart and so I make sure. Now a green candle na make one say no. Green candle na make one first green candle no. Price need to do as another green candle price in rising. Another green candle price in rising. Another green candle price in rising. Now shall I say the one red candle price in drop you red candle and red candle only but those one price in drop you form. Green candle only but those one price in rise form. Into any difference no of the candlesticks no. Now Yembra has say the whole area of this area and you're the body of the candle. Whole area of this one is called the body, and also the same thing of this one is called the body. Candles need be on my body nesun. Candles need be on my body nesun. What I say? In the as time goes on, follow page and subscribe to the channel. Make sure the difference between candlestick and body nesun and the issue. So when red candle na say body nesun, that means sellers now will push the price na conform omusa among doors. But when candlestick red na say body nesun kesi pa, that means sellers now move price na conform doors. That is there's more momentum. Pressure no din and the price na conform. Into one humana was now humana friend a week. A huma way was in a friend a week, and one I was in a huma way and was and one I was in a friend a week. Into way a week, and at the same thing I say so a week, and I say in so no a week. What am I saying? Into you can't bullish candle. A BORCSE, now BORC, now Clusi was through. Bearish candle B was through, now Clusi was down. And that is why we say it's a bearish. You can't say a bearish because price need drop it. So it will open here, now be close or down. And I can't candle on the top here is called the high of the candle high, and then show us it. The same thing, the top high now, your friend candle high. What I say? And I say high now. The candle low. The same thing as here the candle low. That is low for the candle. Sana candlestick nina here. In the umbrella chart, and some show different candle you coming across 7% trade forex and as a trade market now. It's not only about forex. Any currency or trade biara you be used to say the way I make our and now no sure candlestick now make our if you can't do it. One candle week beer in the one. She did a candle near means zooming in the if you candle we are open no are down as it close no through. If you candle we are wake any as it so open no as it market in the course row as in the create wake no and a bit close you are another candle way, that strong bullish candle way, I green open in here, and a market push it call down kakra, and they push it course through, and the bay ahoma week I was here, and the co push it course through a bar, I see, and the big see what I see. What I say, and now I'm for we put it across. Share second stick on my bill, I see. Here's what I say. Yo, we be a friend time frame. Send me 4 hour time frame, I see. So I say 4 hour. Send me the 4 hours, so I see. I say, candlestick back that means it take 4 hours and 1 candlestick air for me. And the candlestick cocoa it take 4 hours and air for me. Candlestick will take 4 hours and air for me. Candlestick will take 4 hours and air for me. We take 4 hours. We take 4 hours. What I say? So as soon as I go down to 2 hours, candlestick now it's a candlestick way. It take 2 hours and sun air for me. We take 2 hours. The candlestick take 2 hours way. It take 2 hours and sun air for me. Until every time frame will be used to be and then the candlestick air for me. What am I saying? Until say me look to daily time frame and I say weekly. Look to weekly time frame in that means say every candlestick be a screen is it take 1 full week and sun air for me. Into a candlestick we take 1 week and sun for me. We take 1 week. So person won't share market, free market I recommend them say we use 30 minutes, another 15 minutes, another 1 hour time frame. And on all the entire trade now, real quick in off marketing, guys. And you know, also out in and they about candlesticks because candlestick way are there over you through the market every day. What I say, they use candlestick and they are match make sure I say over here video. Now I say video, now I say video over and over again. So that I better candlestick because we are going to be using this candlestick. Candlestick when it be biara or genuine into the match make sure so best from every day. Me say open candle, bullish candle, no say market ni biara and exclusive I see. In say open another bullish candle best for me. Say ne be biara or so I say be biara another exclusive. Bon, say ne na price ne cost say net here. Right now no. See net here. Into one say open candle in bullish candle market open was see exclusive was see another one be was see not exclusive was see another one be the same area see not exclusive was so do be one price no e cost so na bearish candle no eno so no e pese anywhere exclusive or down e be or down see he na sa exclusive was see see na be what I say na another one see ebesa be the same area see as exclusive or down see the side na form see net here another one ebesa be was see won na form see net here won into only one so na market no the side na drop red candle na market na drop na green candle no our market near then air rise nti net here bullish and bearish candle guys follow page no me dropping more videos on how I be trading market no na me cheche bibia mo ntwi. It's follow page and recommend the page in the now before. I'll catch you next time or the same video.